GCSE Maths, writing a number as a product of its prime factors. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is question number 17, taken from an GCSE Maths as paper for the foundation tier. Okay, and it's one actually it's a calculated paper. Okay, taken from the 2023 exam series. It's paper 1. Question 17, but it's also appropriate for higher tier as well. Okay, so write the number here 2250 as a product of its prime factors. Okay, show your workings clearly. Okay, so step 1. Okay, so write out here the big number. Okay, so 2250. Okay, I can split that into 225 times 10. Okay, let's decompose 10 because it's slightly more easier. That will go to 2 and 5. Okay, circle them both here because they're prime numbers. Okay, then 225 will obviously decompose to divide it by 5. Okay, what are we going to get? Well, 5 is into 2, I can't do, so 5 into 22 go 4 times with a remainder of 2. 5 into 25 go 5 times. Okay, so that'll be 45. That will now decompose into 9 and 5. Okay, circle the 5 here because it's obviously prime. Okay, 9 decomposes to 3 and 3. Okay, so my answer, guys, is going to read 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, I can write here a bit more nicely in index form. I can write it as 2 times by 3 squared times by 5 cubed. That, guys, is writing a slightly bigger and larger number as a product of its prime factors. Okay, so you start off here by writing down two numbers that multiply to equal 2250, and then obviously break it down into obviously separate branches. Okay, again, if you're unsure about your prime numbers are numbers that have explicitly two factors, 1 and itself. 1 is not a prime number, 2 is the only even prime number, then it goes 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, then it goes, I think 53, okay, so on and so forth. My advice is, learn the first maybe, like 12 or 13, prime numbers for your GCSE maths exam. Okay, so learn up to, I would say, maybe 31 or 37, or up to 41. Again, write it out on a piece of card, write it on a piece of paper, get your friends to obviously test you, get your family to obviously test you, get your mum, dad, your brother, sister, carer, cousin, whoever it is, your parent, guardian, okay, to test you on your prime numbers. But prime numbers are numbers that have explicitly two factors, 1 and itself. 1 is not a prime number, okay, because it has only one factor, namely 1. A prime number has to have explicitly two factors, 1 and itself not being 1, if that makes sense. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2, so 2 is obviously prime. The factors of 3 are 3 and 1, that's also prime. The factors of 4 are actually 1, 2, and 4. So 4 actually has 3 factors. So 4 is not a prime number, okay? And similarly, every other even number, other than 2, okay, is not prime, okay? A prime number, only has 2 factors, okay? 1 and itself, okay? Thank you very much, okay? Happy Monday, guys.